back. I have another DIY video for you. Stick around. A quick disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm learning as I move on to other projects, which means all of my DIYs follow the proceed at your own risk. Make sure you do the research before attempting any project on your car like I have. If all of this sounds good to you, then let's continue on to my journey of upgrades. I am so excited to get these courtesy door handles on my Mini Cooper. The function of the keyless entry will not work, but if anybody has successfully installed that onto theirs, please leave the info on the comment section below. I would love to hear it because somewhere in the future, I would love to add that on. I highly recommend you get one of these mini ratchets for the job because the amount of space you have is very limited. You're bound to either remove the door actuator or the door pin like I did. I did remove the door pin, I did lower the door actuator, but for the most part, this mini ratchet did the job. You'll need to remove the door opener cable that's attached to the rotary latch. So when you press on your door handle, it activates the door opener cable to move the lever that's attached to the rotary down. On the passenger side, you will have a total of 3 inner hex bolts that you have to remove, 1 on that white bracket and 2 on the other side. On the driver's side, you have 2 inner hex bolts to remove. One is located where you insert your key and the other is on a white bracket. I forgot to mention that the green plastic area on the rotary latch is where the door pin is homed. You are able to pull out the door pin pretty easy, so you shouldn't have an issue with that. The courtesy door handle goes in. Make sure you put the door opener cable on the right side, and the cable for the courtesy function goes on the left. Be sure that everything fits properly before you screw everything back in. I ended up needing to reuse my original rubber grommet for the door handle. Now you repeat the removal process in reverse. I ended up tucking the keyless entry cable in a cubby I found on the door. I'm not sure if that's going to cause any future damage to the cable. Don't forget that the door opener cable goes through that plastic home and then down to the bottom where its second home is. Alright, so that sums it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I helped someone out there that was looking to do this same project. It is possible to add the courtesy handles to your Mini Cooper. I have the R50, don't forget. Also, if you were able to successfully add on the courtesy function, the keyless entry function, please leave the information on the comment section below. Please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, help my channel grow, and as always, have a good one. Bye!